So when I go to cut my seam, when I go to put my seam, when I go to construct it, part of that is I want to reset that gauge. I don't want it too tight. I don't want it too loose. I want to be honest with you guys. I'm having, with these heavier carpets, I'm having more issues with too tight of seams. Believe it or not. I know that sounds crazy, right? But if you've got an 80 ounce, let's say 65 ounce or greater, heavy piece of carpet, you can add, if you cut, let's say my left piece, I run the blade right up to the carpet, the fiber. My right side, I cut right up to the fiber. There's not enough backing in between those two fibers that when I put that seam together, it looks great, you know, all kind of smashed down. But when you start going side to side, there's just something wrong. It's almost like it's crowned up, but then I go to feel down there. Well, no, my backing's good. I pull it back. No, everything looks good. What that is that those yarns are so tight, so crowded in there. That's what they're doing. They're peeking up. To reset that gauge, you just run your knife blade on the one side. So if I cut on this piece of carpet, I run my knife on the left side of the carpet. When I cut my piece over here, I'm still running my knife blade on that left side. And that's leaving enough material there to when I go put that back together, it's gonna look good.